What is the plunger tip and why is it so important? The plunger tip is this small Teflon part in the syringe which moves up and down in every experiment and also if you load the syringe. So this part feels a lot of friction and therefore it is a part which needs to be replaced after certain of time, after certain experiments, like 300 in a run. You see some kind of features that it is time to renew the plunger tip in your raw ITC data as well. If you see patterns that it is not homogeneous, this injections, or they are different in size without any meaning, then you will also see in your ITC data that the results can vary because this small little part defines the volumes which are injected into the sample cell. And any uncertainty here will show up in your data. So after you have renewed the new plunger tip, you will see how your data will be more reproducible and you will be more happy. And don't be afraid, you can do it yourself. The maintenance window, the software will guide you through with the windows and explanations. You can also find the video on YouTube if you want to prepare yourself on the day before. So don't panic, you can do it yourself. All the tools are coming with the system and it's easy to do.